Hey guys, it's Alex. So today I just want to go over 3 things that I bought for my ecom business that I wish I had gotten way sooner. All of these either save me time or bring in more revenue, and I wouldn't do business without them now. Alright, so jumping right in, I have the 3 best investments for your Shopify store or ecom brand in 2022. Let's get started. So product number 1 is the product photo box, and I actually have the exact item right here. Can't even fit it in the entire scene. It's a lot bigger than it looks. But this is the image of it that Amazon has as their placeholder. It's under $50 on Amazon if you want to order it on there. I actually think it's like $42.99 or something right now on sale from $49.99. So it's a $50 item on Amazon, but it's a really good investment in your business. And obviously all of this is a tax write-off at the end of the year, but consult with your CPA for specifics about that. This is best paired with a quality camera. Once again, another good investment for your business and another tax write-off when used properly. But with the technology on phones nowadays and the cameras being upgraded year after year, I've definitely shot some really quick content on my phone and had it turn out just as nice. So if you guys have a good camera phone, you guys can just use that in place of a good quality camera on this box right here. But it has the lights on top and then the lights on the side, so it's all around lighting for this. And then it also has the additional backdrops as well. So you guys can use the traditional white background like you see on a lot of products, but you guys can also add in your own colors as well, being blue, green, red, gold, white, and black. So you shoot custom content. You can shoot all this for your product pages, your website in general, your social media pages, your ad creatives, etc. And this just builds quality and trust within your brand. So what you guys can do is order samples from AliExpress to shoot content with, and then use that across all of your brand, because obviously it's going to be much higher quality content than any photos that you're going to find on AliExpress or Amazon. So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual product page on Amazon. And I'll show you guys some reviews and why this is a good product to invest in. Alright, so here's the Amazon listing for the product photo box, and here's that exact same photo we took a look at a minute ago. But I just want to show you guys some of these photos really quick and some of the reviews to see if other people feel the same way about it as I do. And as you guys can see right here, there's all of the different backdrop colors. Here's how to actually put the product together, because it just comes flat and you guys actually have to fold it up and put it together. And then there's a briefcase with all of the different color options available as well. And here's the sizing if you guys are interested. Like I said, it's a lot bigger than it looks in person, 16 by 12 by 12. I didn't pay attention to that, I just ordered it. But let's look at the reviews really quick. So here's some images that customers of this item have shot themselves, and a lot of these look pretty good. So here's one right here. We'll go back to the gallery. But just a lot of people using these for a variety of reasons. It's definitely a really good investment, and it's not that costly when you're thinking long term. Alright, so the second investment that I have for you guys to make on your ecom brands is definitely the label printer. Now I know I talked about this right when I got it on one of my older videos, but it's definitely one of the best investments that I've made on my own Shopify stores. Now this is the exact same one that I have right here. Once again, I ordered it on Amazon. It's called like a Mumbin or something, and I always order their shipping labels as well. They're definitely a really good and reliable brand. But what this does is it lowers your paper cost over time, as you no longer have to buy paper, you don't have to buy ink, you just have to buy the labels for your label printer. And it's actually a heat transfer label, so like I said, there's no ink. All of this just comes from the heat transfer process within the actual machine itself. So it's faster and more efficient compared to printing with ink and then taping labels on a box like you traditionally would. And at the same time with that, it's a more professional look and builds trust with your brand and within your customers. I have the Amazon listing right here. We can look at the exact same one that I bought, but there's a ton available on the marketplace. There's not just one that you guys should buy. Definitely look around, do your research, and see which one meets your needs and is best for you. But let's go ahead and look at the Amazon listing really quick. Alright, so here's the Amazon listing for the Mumbin shipping label printer. And that's the exact same photo that I just used a moment ago. But here's the images they have available on the Amazon listing. Like you guys can see right here, it's not just shipping labels. If you guys want to print off stickers or anything similar, you guys can totally do that. But it has a ton of options available. Like I said, labels. It can be shipping labels, or it can even be labels for your products like you guys see right here. There's a ton of different uses for this, and it's a very good investment when you're thinking long term. So if we look at the reviews, there's almost 7,000 reviews, and most of them looking at 4 and 5 stars. and a lot of people are just impressed with this product. It's down from $199.99, so $200 to $156, and then they actually have 3 different options available. If you guys want the green one, you guys can get the green option for $159, get the white option for $156, or you guys can spend a little more for $161 and get the pink label printer. Totally up to you. The third and arguably the best investment you can make on your e-com brand is just holding inventory yourself. Now this photo in the corner right here is an actual picture of my guest room right now while we try to figure out the inventory situation. I'm looking at warehouses, I'm looking at storage while we try to figure out, but this is the guest room for the meantime until we do. So what you guys want to do is place a bulk order on Alibaba once you guys have a product tested and validated through dropshipping on AliExpress. So if you guys start a dropshipping store and have a product outperform all of the others and it's clearly a winner, you guys want to order that and hold your own inventory. It can be expensive up front, and at first you guys can consider Shopify Capital and get one of those predetermined interest loans through them. I've done that in the past and I've made a video talking about whether you should or should not. There's definitely a ton of reasons to, and there's definitely a ton of reasons to not. But this reduces prices in the long run and makes your business more efficient, obviously, as you guys are shipping orders out yourselves and then hiring more hands to do so as you scale. And this is literally just the transition from dropshipping to an actual e-commerce brand. So this creates a scalable business that you guys can actually sell down the road and create an exit plan for it and just get a fat check, cash out, and walk out. I hope you guys found value in this video. You should consider some of these items for your own e-com businesses. I mean, they are all tax write-offs when used properly, but obviously consult with your CPA first. I have 2 e-com resources linked in the description below for you guys to check out. Feel free to do so. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.